Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Thursday, March 3rd, and these are your bell ringer problems. All right, so we have problem number 13, 14, 15, and 16 today. Problem number 13 asked us to put 2/6 into simplest form. So when we take a look at 2/6, we know that we're going to have to divide by, both of these are even numbers. 2 is the smallest, so we're going to divide by 2. 2 divided by 2 is going to give us 1. 6 divided by 2 is going to give us 3. So 2/6 in simplest form is 1/3. Okay, problem number 14, they asked you to write 6/10 as a decimal. And we know that a decimal place, the first place after the decimal is the tenths place, and we need 6/10 in there. So our decimal is 0.6. That's how we write 6/10. Problem number 15, we had two decimals that we needed to add up. We had 34 and 7/10 and 8 and 35/100. But please remember, whenever you add or subtract decimals, you must line up your decimals and then you must add in place fillers. So I added in my two place fillers right there. So then 0 plus 5 is going to get me 5. 7 plus 3 is going to give me 10. 4 plus 1 is 5. Plus 8 is 13. 3 plus 1 is 4. So I get 43.05 because I bring my decimal right down into my answer, or 43 and 5/100. Sorry about that, folks. All right, and then lastly, number 16, they wanted us to find the perimeter of this. We have a length of 23, we have a width of 11. The great thing about perimeter is that I can take my length and I can multiply it by 2 because I have 2 of those lengths, and I can take my width and multiply it by 2 because I have 2 of those widths. So 23 times 2 is going to get me 46, plus 11 times 2 is going to get me 22. Okay, and then 6 plus 2 is going to give me 8. 4 plus 2 is going to get me 6. So I have 68 feet. And we're going to leave it at feet because this is perimeter, so there is nothing to be squared. So we're left at 68 feet. And our hashtag today is hashtag last day. Make it great, folks. This is your last day for the I-STEP test on the pencil and paper portion, so let's make this a great one. Have a nice night.